Some people like to listen to their headphones loud. Some people like to listen to their headphones quietly.
At any volume, headphones allow us to inhabit our own little world. And because these are our own little worlds, we can't be sure of the world someone else is inhabiting.
You're literally earlier.
Or how long they've been inhabiting it.
Also invading a country.
Or how much it has informed their way of seeing the world.
Didn't happen. Oh yeah!
After all, does it reach a point where two different people are so informed by their own little worlds that they begin to live in two different realities? And if two people can't agree on what the world is, then how can they agree on what's best for it?
Morality, because then it becomes. We're not even going into morality. I'm just asking what good is. When you ask somebody what is good, is that not more? Think about what is good. You have to ask one person what
But who am I to judge? At the end of every day, all any of us really want is what we truly believe is best for the world. And when we find others who want to make the world better in similar ways, it can be misguided and it can hurt a lot of people. Or it can be really beautiful for them and for those around them. So even if someone's little world confuses you, at least we know that we all have the same intention. We want the best for the world as we know it.